This is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful free online homework help resource called Brainfuse. Although Brainfuse provides assistance for students from kindergarten to college, today I'm going to focus on elementary age students. The way that you can access Brainfuse is you're going to go to the library's website at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate to the button labeled Research. Once you arrive at the research web page, you're going to scroll down until you see the table titled Databases, and from here, navigate and click on the word Brainfuse. Once you arrive at this web page, you're going to click the blue link underneath the words Database Link. The reason why Brainfuse is such a great homework help resource for elementary students is because it allows you to connect with a safe online tutor to answer any questions you have at home when you're doing your homework. You can connect with tutors from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. every day, and assistance is available in English, Spanish, French, and English Canada. To connect with a tutor, you're going to need to create an account. So let me show you how to make an account. You're going to click on the login button here, and then you're going to click where it says sign up. From here, you're going to create a username, a password, and then you want to create a password hint and type in an answer there. Make sure that you write down your username and your password for future use. Once you've created your account, then you can type in your username and password for instant access. I've already created an account, so I'm going to type in the credentials right now. And then press login. Okay. And the way that you can tell that you're logged in is that your name is now shown underneath the log out button. So if we're looking at on the side here, this first tab is your account, and if you click on that, then this will show your username and your password. If you click on My Past Sessions, that'll show any past tutoring sessions that you've had. And then your Message Center would show any messages that you may have received from asking a question offline. Now we're going to put our focus on the left menu, which has other services. First, we're going to check out live tutoring. Live tutoring provides live help, and to get assistance, you first want to select your grade. And as I said before, this resource is for students from kindergarten to college level, and you can also use it to get assistance with your federal student loan paperwork. So we're going to say that we're a 4th grader. And then as soon as you pick your grade, then it brings up different subject levels to get assistance with. So we'll say that we're a 4th grader needing help with math. And then you would press the button that says Get Live Homework Help. So once you do that, then that will instantly connect you to a tutor. Another thing to note is that if you wanted to speak to a Spanish-speaking tutor, you would check this box right here, and that would allow you to speak to a tutor who speaks in Spanish. Now, most likely they'll use a whiteboard, and the tutor will use it to connect with you. And sometimes you'll see them typing in front of you, which is all right. So even though it's a tutoring session, it's very safe and it's monitored. The next tab is in reference to the Writing Center. And for the Writing Center, what you can do is you can submit a paper, upload it, and here's all the different formats of papers that they accept. And once you upload the paper, a tutor will read it and provide you with hints or suggestions to help you improve upon your paper. And this will usually take a day or two for them to get back to you. Next is the Skills Surfer. And as I said before, even though Brainfuse does provide resources for kids from elementary school to college, since we're focusing on elementary school, I'm going to click here for lessons for elementary school students. As you can see, they have subjects for reading, writing, math, science, and social studies. So I'm going to pick 4th grade math. And then as you can see here, there's practice text, and then there's different breakdowns of sections to help. So let's just click on something here. So as you can see, you click on the lesson and it'll have different benchmarks for you to achieve. If you have a question that you would like to ask, but you don't want to necessarily communicate with a tutor online, you can click on Send Question. And again, this will allow you to specify your grade, your subject. You can type in your question. And if you have a document to attach, you can upload it. And then submit the question. And when you submit a question for answering offline, just be aware that it will take usually 1 business day for it to be answered, and that any response you will receive will be sent to your message center, which is shown right over here. There's also a language lab for Spanish, which is right here. You can pick Spanish and then get live help. And then lastly is a vocabulary builder, which provides games, quizzes, and flashcards to help you learn a new language. And so if we want to do that, we'd click the Start Now button, which will open up a separate tab. And as you can see here, there's a variety of languages that you can choose to learn something new with, to help improve your vocabulary and grammar. So, those are the things that are best for elementary school students in reference to using Brainfuse. There's also a variety of other resources for college-age students, middle school-age students, as well as adult learners. However, that will be for another tutorial. Thank you for watching this Brainfuse tutorial, and check our Facebook and YouTube channels for future instructional tutorials similar to this one. Thank you for joining me today,